What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another reaction video. How over 2,000 tons of gulal are produced in India for Holi. 2,000 tons? My God. Well, before we jump into this video, if you guys happen to enjoy it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that like. Also, if you'd like to support the channel by becoming a member, you will have access to all kinds of exclusive benefits that won't disappoint. Now let's dive right in.
Yellow is one of the most popular colors thrown during Holi. At this factory in India, hundreds of pounds of this yellow powder called gulal are laid out in the sun to dry.
Oh wow.
Most of the world's gulal comes from the northern city of Hathras.
You just imagine life without colors. Imagine life in black and white. It's so boring.
Oh, it
Colors,
is boring.
give
That's
you
true.
pop.
Here,
That's
Radhakishan
facts.
Color World produces 2,000 tons of gulal annually. We went inside one of the largest manufacturers to see how it's preparing for its first Holi during the pandemic.
कलर एक कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसा है, इसकी लिमिट कोई नहीं है, लिमिटलेस है ये.
This
True.
is Ratan Bihari Agrawal. He's a bit of a color connoisseur.
आप कोई भी कलर पकड़ लीजिए, हरा कलर है. हरे कलर में भी डार्क ग्रीन, लाइट ग्रीन, पैरट ग्रीन, लीफ ग्रीन.
He
True.
and his family have run the company for 4 generations.
Oh my
हमारा
God.
व्यापार है, हमारी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है. ये करीब 80 साल से हम इस ट्रेड में हैं.
In Hathras, Holi powder production brings in more than 30 crore rupees or over $4 million each year. There are over
Wow.
a dozen gulal making factories in the city alone. At Radhakishan Color World, gulal production hits its stride in November after Diwali, India's largest festival. This massive facility with almost 100 employees has 5 main areas: a room for packaging, one for the handmade processing, plus a command center and storage unit. And a
Dang.
mile away are the gulal drying fields. The company makes both handmade and machine processed gulal to keep up with demand. The first part of the process always starts with a starch mixture. Corn starch is the base for the color powder. Starch is used instead of common bases like talcum because it's less toxic and much lighter.
Love that.
The starch is hand mixed with water until it's totally blended. The color dye is added next.
Every color tells a story, you know. Red stands for love. Like blue is for royalty. Pink is for caring. Yellow, happiness.
Then the mixture goes through a grinder before it's baked in the sunlight. While that's an important step, the city in Uttar Pradesh is prone to rain and even monsoons, which affects
Oh.
when the gulal is dried. On top of that, the powder production coincides with the region's farming season. Both factors play a role in how much gulal can be produced before Holi.
सप्लाई सारी लेट होती थी और काफ़ी सारे 50-60%, 70% ऑर्डर कैंसिल भी हो जाते थे.
Dang.
बारिश आ गई, 4-4 दिन बादल नहीं खुल रहे हैं, लेबर नहीं मिल रही है, खेतों में काम शुरू हो गए.
So Ratan and his brother invested in a mechanized gulal making process.
प्योर स्टार्च हम यूज करते हैं और दूसरी तरफ से आपको तैयार
I think this is like truly dope. This is truly amazing. And when you look at all the work that goes into so many different things, you just never know everything that happens behind the scenes to make these things happen. But to sell over 2,000 tons a year is just absolutely mind blowing. That number is ridiculous. But I guess we call this in the U.S. that like powdered paint or dry paint. Is that what we call it? I think it's like dry paint. And I believe it's the same thing. Or if gulal is something completely different, then forget everything I said. But it's just really awesome. And I love how intrigued he was with the concept of colors. But of course he's in charge, right? And it seems like he really loves being in charge of this. And the concept of colors, I do think, is amazing. Life in black and white would definitely be boring. So, completely agree with the man.
गुलाल मिलता है. आज की तारीख में हम उसको 24 आवर्स चला रहे हैं. हम एक साल में हम सिर्फ जितने हफ्ते में संडे होते हैं, हम सिर्फ उसका ब्रेकडाउन उसकी ग्रीसिंग के लिए रखते हैं.
The company also has an herbal line made with organic dyes.
हर साल बहुत ज़ोर से होली खेलते हैं और लोगों को इंस्पायर करते हैं कि आप लोग होली खेलिए। चूँकि आजकल लोग सोचते हैं थोड़ा सा हम सेंसिटिव हो गए, ये हो गया, तो इसके लिए हर्बल गुलाल का भी बहुत ज़्यादा चलन बढ़ गया है।
Ratan also makes toys for Holi that help spread the gulal.
There are lot type of gulal extinguishers,
That's
double
so
extinguishers, small gulal containers, snow sprays.
They make over 260 different gadgets.
That's so dope.
ये प्रेशर सिलेंडर है, हमारा बड़ा कलर का सिलेंडर रहता है। इसके अंदर ये गुलाल को ग्रामेज चेक करके मैनुअली इसमें फिल करते हैं। प्रेशर का गॉज है, इसको इसमें डाला जाता है। ये यहाँ पर लॉक होगा प्रेशर गॉज। फिर ये सिलेंडर को उस मशीन से प्रेशराइज करा जाता है। देन यहाँ पर इसका श्रिंकिंग लेबलिंग होता है। उसके बाद ये फाइनल प्रोडक्ट रेडी होकर इस तरीके से आता है हमारा। इसमें दोनों तरफ अलग अलग कलर रहते हैं। हाफ ऑन हाफ सिलेंडर है, एक साइड इसमें अभी जैसे येलो है, एक साइड इसके अंदर ग्रीन रहेगा।
That's so
Another
awesome.
popular toy is the compression gadget. It's filled with gulal and once squeezed releases a fine mist of powder. The Cock brand sells most of its products straight to businesses. But many gadgets like these can be found at the Hathras Color Market. Open year-round, it's one of the largest Holi markets in the world.
Oh wow.
And Hathras is the Gulal hub because it's close to the Braj region, where Holi celebrations last as long as 2 weeks.
कॉन्सर्ट होते हैं, म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, विदेशों में होते हैं बहुत, उनमें बहुत गुलाल का यूज होता है। 12 महीने होता है और इंडिया में भी होता है। लोग खुशी के माहौल पर जब इलेक्शन जीत जाते हैं तब लोग गुलाल का बहुत यूज करते हैं। बॉलीवुड में भी बहुत हमारा गुलाल बहुत जाता है। बहुत सारे उनके सीरियल्स हैं, बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स हैं, बहुत सारे उनके स्टोरीज़ हैं।
The tradition can be traced back to several Hindu legends about Lord Krishna.
When Lord Krishna and Radharani plays Holi with each other, they show the emotion of love and compassion with each other and in life.
Depending on the region, Holi can be a
Wow.
multi-day festival or an afternoon celebration. The first evening is known as Choti Holi or Small Holi and usually involves a symbolic bonfire. The second day is when people of all ages wear white and throw colorful powder at one another. Hindu temples are
Dang, that's so lit, bro. Like, shout out to India. Shout out to all the Hindus, right? That seems like so amazing to be able to celebrate like this with all these colors. To have such, it's just such a colorful celebration. It just sounds amazing. It sounds amazing.
also decorated with bright colors. Like this one in Vrindavan, known for the world's largest Holi celebrations. According to the Hindu lunar calendar, Holi generally falls on a full moon between February and March. Last year, Holi fell right before the coronavirus was officially declared a global pandemic.
Oh.
Gulal producers saw sales decline by almost 10%.
Ooh.
This year, massive crowds of people are celebrating even as India grapples with another spike.
लोगों का बाहर निकलना इस समय बहुत जरूरी था क्योंकि पेंडेमिक में गया पिछला साल, आपको भी पता है। लोग बाग पूरे घरों में बंद घुटे हुए थे, तो अब भाई फेस्टिवल आया तो लोग बाग निकले हैं घर से बाहर, सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं अपना।
India reported over 68,000 new coronavirus infections on March 28th, the highest single-day rise recorded so far this year, taking the nationwide tally well over 11 million. So far, 5 Indian states have already banned Holi celebrations.
Dang.
ये कोविड एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसका इफेक्ट तो ऑल
Facts.
ओवर वर्ल्ड, मैं मतलब इंडिया ही नहीं, ऑल ओवर
Facts. I think U.S. led in COVID cases, I believe, unless I'm wrong. Because I feel like nobody really wanted to follow protocols. Half the country, it seemed like, didn't even believe in the virus. So, yeah.
ओवर वर्ल्ड और हर इंडस्ट्री को कहीं ना कहीं इफेक्ट किया ही है। और हम तो सीजनल बिजनेस से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं ऑब्वियसली कोविड का हमारे ऊपर असर तो हुआ है।
Still, the company has hoped for high returns in 2021.
इस साल भी हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये बीमारी जल्दी से जल्दी ख़त्म हो, लोग एंजॉय करें और फेस्टिवल्स मनाएं खूब ज़ोर से शोर से। उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है, हम भी कायम हैं।
That's so awesome though, to find out everything that goes into making this gulal that Indians use to celebrate so many different occasions, but for mostly to celebrate Holi. I think that's truly incredible. That's all we have for this video. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure you check out this one next. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like. See you guys on the next one.